Hello there, peoples of the internets, once again to another. Well, this actually is not another devlog of A Peasant's Tale, as you may have been able to tell by the title of this video. This is a little platformer I was working on for the Ludum Dare. Well, it's not really a Ludum Dare game because I didn't have enough time to really enter the competition, so I really just ended up playing around with different platformer mechanics and stuff like that. And the cool thing about this sort of thing is I was able to take the engine of A Peasant's Tale and sort of pop it out of that game and put it into this, and that cut down on the amount of time it took me to work on this uh, by a considerable amount. And this is really, I've been working on this for really maybe 24 hours or something, like spread over about a week. But this is just my first sort of foray into making platformers, and I had a lot of fun making this. And if you guys are interested, I'll continue making this thing. But yeah, also, sorry for not making videos for the week because yeah, I sort of broke the schedule, and that was mainly due to work overload at school. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm back. Also, right now, I'm not in my house. I'm on vacation, so you may hear the occasional airplane or like background noise. I really can't control that. I'm in a hotel right now, which is and it actually is right by the airport. So yeah, that's a thing. Anyway, let's get into this game, and I'll sort of show you what's going on with it. And yeah, so anyway, any day now. Okay, so this is this little LD48 platformer. Again, Ludum Dare. I sort of got in the spirit of Ludum Dare and made this little thing. Um, and if you don't know what Ludum Dare is, you can look it up. It's a great little 48-hour competition where, yeah, basically you have 48 hours and there's an airplane to make a game based on the theme that they give you. This time it was you only get one, but again, I didn't enter this into it, and it's not even close to a game, really. It's just an engine or a version of my engine made into a platformer. But yeah, so you've got basic stuff here, like moving, obviously. You've got jumping. The one thing about jumping is it sort of happens all at once. You don't really, like, you don't see yourself jump it, like, in the process of jumping as you do with falling. Like, you sort of get teleported up, and I have to fix that, but I couldn't really fix that right now. But anyway, a cool thing that I thought was pretty cool is the more you're falling, the faster you fall, so you accelerate downwards, and hopefully you can see that. I know my QuickTime recording software is kind of crap, to be honest, so you may not be able to see that, but just trust me, it's there. You also got like some animating going on here, like that. Although that's not perfect, you're a little slime. I imagined the character to be a slime for whatever reason. I felt like making art for that, so I did. Also, we have water physics, and that is what I'm really proud of in this sort of thing, is that you can. So basically, all right. So you're falling, suddenly you hit the water, and you actually it sort of stops you like it would in real life. Like if you're like say you're you go and cannonball into a pool, you're not going to continue falling at the same speed you were falling through the air as when you hit the water. So that's a thing. Also, you sink slower than normally you would fall, and you move slower than you would normally fall. So if I, for example, run through this sort of water stream, you'll see that it stops me and I actually sink in. But if I were to, like, yeah, basically, see, that's a thing. That's really fun. The AI, I didn't really get it working perfectly yet. So I may make another video about that. Again, if you guys like this and you want me to continue making this little thing into something else, again, this is a side project. This by no means will replace A Peasant's Tale. I just kind of needed a break from working on that, so I worked on this little thing. But yeah, that'll just about do it. And there's like a drill going off in the background for whatever reason. Sorry about that. Again, I can't control background noise. But yeah, that'll do it for this sort of devlog thing.